and for their continuous efforts in promoting technology adoption in Pakistan industrial landscape. Manufacturing has always been the backbone of national economies. Today, however, global competitiveness is defined not just for production, but by the ability to integrate digital technologies, advanced engineering solutions, and automation into industrial process. The pace of innovation, ranging from 3D scanning, reverse engineering, additive manufacturing to precision metrology, is reshaping industries worldwide. Pakistan must adapt swiftly to remain relevant in the global supply chain. The Government of Pakistan has therefore prioritized industrial and digital transformation as key pillars of our economic strategies. Let me highlight some important initiatives to this direction. The Pakistan Digital Authority, established under the Digital Nation Pakistan Act 2025, is now serving as the apex body to drive the country's digital transformation. Its mandate includes preparing the National Digital Master Plan, ensuring digital governance standards, and supporting Industry 4.0 adoption. Through the Special Technology Zones Authority, we are creating high-tech zones such as Islamabad Technopolis to foster research and development, digital manufacturing, and global partnerships. The Engineering Development Board is actively working on upgrading the industrial sector's capabilities, especially